Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add folder shortcuts to the Start menu's left sidebar in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Start. Click Choose which folders appear on Start. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.